get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
Hey guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm making another keto treat. As you guys can see, I have cream cheese, some diced jalapeno peppers, and some diced tomatoes. Then I'm going to add my diced jalapeno peppers, and then I'm going to add my diced tomatoes. And now we're just going to mix everything all up. If you're wondering what we're making today, if you've ever been to Tijuana Flats, we're basically making their Atom bombs, but keto style. We're going to use this Mission Carb Balance tortillas. As you guys can see, it's a great buy. It's only 4 grams of carbs. It's like $3.99. You guys can't beat that. So we're just gonna take 1 or 2. You could use as many as you want, but I'm only gonna use 2 because I don't need a bigger batch. So we're just gonna spray down our aluminum foil where we're going to be cooking our tortillas. Then I'm just going to spray the tortilla again just to get that nice crisp that I'm looking for. Then I'm going to add some 3 cheese that I completely forgot to get out the fridge, of course. So now we're just going to add some 3 cheese, and then I'm going to add my cream cheese mix. We're just going to take our tortilla and nicely, neatly roll it up. And then it's going to look just like this. And then you can make your additional batch, or you can just use this and put it in the oven. So after you already have your rolls, you're ready to put this in the oven. I have it in the oven for at least 350 degrees for about a good 10 to 15 minutes. Now, doesn't that look so good, you guys? I wish you guys can literally smell it on the camera like I always say. It smells so amazing. If you can't smell it, I'm not eating it. Not just facts. after cutting my Keto Atom bombs, I'm basically going to have my little dipping sauce. I'm going to use this sugar-free sweet chili sauce. It's only 2 grams carbs per serving. Here is the nutrition on the back. It's really tasty. It's really good, you guys. And it's literally 2 grams per serving. I love this brand. So if you're ever looking for a nice dipping sauce or anything, you can guys check out this brand. You can buy it at Walmart or Publix. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of our homemade atom bombs. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?